Welcome students, we have been given this question, given that A positive B positive C is equal to 2024 and 1 over A positive 1 over B positive 1 over C is equal to 1 over 2024. We are expected to find the value of 1 over A raised to the power 2025, positive 1 over B raised to the power 2025, positive 1 over C raised to the power 2025. So we need to know this value. Now to arrive at the solution for this question, we need to adopt a very important axiom or use a very important axiom from number theory. So what is that axiom? So that property I am giving you now. Reciprocal of all numbers exist except for the number 0. So if a number is equal to 0, reciprocal doesn't exist, but for all other numbers reciprocal exists. Now we are given that A positive B positive C is equal to 2024. So this is not equal to 0. So this implies I can take the reciprocal of this 1 over A positive B positive C is equal to 1 over 2024. But we are also given that what is that we are given? 1 over A positive 1 over B positive 1 over C is equal to 1 over 2024. So in place of 1 over 2024, I can rewrite this as, so this would imply I can have now 1 over A positive B positive C is equal to 1 over A positive 1 over B positive 1 over C. So this is possible. So I can use this word hence. So hence I have this. Now to solve this you need to adopt this strategy. So just move 1 over A to the left. So this was going to be 1 over A positive B positive C negative 1 over A is equal to 1 over B positive 1 over C. Now take the LCM. The LCM for this is going to be BC. So I'm going to use that. So let me do that. So this is going to be BC. This would be C positive B, and I would get your A of A positive B positive C. So this would give me a A followed by negative of A positive B positive C. This is what I've got. Now remove the parenthesis. So this is going to give me A negative of B positive C. I'm writing it like this, divided by A of A positive B positive C is equal to B positive C over BC. Positive A and negative A can be cancelled, giving me negative of B positive C divided by A of A positive B positive C is equal to B positive C over BC. I'm moving the left to the right and rewriting the terms as B positive C over BC positive B positive C over A of A positive B positive C is equal to 0. So now I have to take the LCM. So I've got the following terms here: B positive C over BC positive B positive C over A of A positive B positive C is equal to 0. Now I can take the LCM as ABC of A positive B positive C. So this one would give me B positive C times A of A positive B positive C positive, and this one would give me BC of B positive C is equal to 0. Now I can take B positive C out and rewrite this as A of A positive B positive C positive BC over ABC of A positive B positive C is equal to 0. Now I can simplify this if I can reduce the difficulty of this expression. How could I do that? If I could multiply the denominator with the cross multiplication and get rid of this, then all I need to do is to simplify the left side and factorize it and obtain the solution. But before I could multiply the denominator with 0, in other words, before I could cross multiply, I should make sure that ABC of A positive B positive C is not equal to 0. So this denominator should not be equal to 0. Now we need to place in a reasoning for that, and only after that reasoning we would be able to proceed with the multiplication. So I am giving you the reasoning now. What if ABC of A positive B positive C is equal to 0? Now if this is the scenario, then this would mean either ABC is equal to 0 or A positive B positive C is equal to 0. But we are given that, what are we given? A positive B positive C is equal to 2024. This has been given. So this is not possible. So this is not possible. So A positive B positive C equal to 0 is not possible. So that's ruled out. Now what if ABC is equal to 0? So this would mean either A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0 or C is equal to 0. But we are also given that, what are we given? 1 over A positive 1 over B positive 1 over C is equal to 1 over 2024. Now if A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0 or C is equal to 0, the above term will become undefined. The above term will become undefined. So that means we don't have a problem. When I say we don't have a problem, we have got a situation in that case, because we have been given that 1 over A positive 1 over B positive 1 over C is equal to 1 over 2024. So this would mean that ABC is equal to 0 is also not possible. So what is the only possibility? So this in turn would mean that ABC of A positive B positive C cannot be equal to 0. Now since it is not equal to 0, we can multiply. So I was able to perform this because of this reasoning. So if I were to take this as, say, sum 3, so this would mean I can rewrite 3 now as B positive C of A positive B positive C positive BC is equal to 0. So this is what I've got. So let us proceed now. So now we have already got B positive C of A positive B positive C positive BC is equal to 0. So now we have to distribute the quantity of A in this following fashion. So adopt this following method. I'm going to take A with A positive B, and then I'm going to multiply A with C. So I've got this quantity now. So now what I'm going to do from this quantity, I'm going to take C out. So let me rewrite this. So this is B positive C of A positive B positive. If I take C out, I get A positive B is equal to 0. So this is B positive C of A positive B can be taken as a common factor. So that would give me A positive C is equal to 0. So now I got a product of 3 quantities. So from here, this would mean either A positive B is equal to 0 or A positive C is equal to 0 or B positive C is equal to 0. Now what if we take, let us consider B positive C is equal to 0. If B positive C is equal to 0, then what happens to our problem? Then A positive B positive C, which is being given as 2024, will become, this is 0. Now A is equal to 2024. Right. Now let us raise them to the power, raising both sides to the power of 2025. We get, so what do we get? We raise A raised to the power 2025 is equal to 2024 raised to the power of 2025. This is what we have got. Now also, say if I were to take this as 4, from 4 B is equal to negative C. So this means 1 over B is equal to negative 1 over C. Now raising both to the power, of 2025, we get, so what do you get? This is 1 over B raised to the power 2025 is equal to negative 1 over C raised to the power 2025. Now 2025 is an odd number. So if I were to raise a negative quantity to an odd number, where n is odd, the resultant will always be a negative sign. So this is going to be equal to negative of 1 over C raised to the power 2025. On the left I've got 1 over B raised to the power 2025. So I were to move the right to the left. This would imply that I've got 1 over B raised to the power 2025 positive 1 over C raised to the power 2025 is equal to 0. So this is a very important result. Now this is equal to 0. So what does that mean? So this would mean that we were asked to find the value of 1 over, this is what we were given, A raised to the power 2025 plus 1 over B raised to the power 2025 plus 1 over C raised to the power 2025. We are asked to get this, but this is equal to 0. So this would mean I need to get the value of 1 over A raised to the power 2025. This is the only value that I need to get. So this would mean I only have to get A raised to the power 2025. But we have found that, what do we find? But we have found that 1 over, or I should say A raised to the power 2025. You see that we have already found that A raised to the power 2025 is 2024 raised to the power 2025. So this is 2024 raised to the power of 2025. So this would mean